how to buy and sell crypto on Bybit with the P2P trading. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, BYBIT, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy and sell crypto easily on Bybit using the P2P trade. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy. You can complete the buy and selling on Bybit with P2P in simply 3 steps. As you can see on the screen. The first is select your ad. You want to simply choose the particular ad with desired price and payment method, then enter your buy quantity and transaction amount to complete the order. The second step is to complete the bank payments. Make your payment based on information provided by the seller. Bybit will not charge you any fees for it. Then the third is to receive your coins. After the seller receives the payment, he will release coin. Head to the funding account to review the coins you received. So as you can see, all you have to do is from the home page you can tap on the P2P trading option. Then you'll be headed to the P2P trading page, as you can see here on the screen. Then you can see here you'll get various ads. First you can select the tokens here under buy or sell. So you can see buy and sell option. Then you can select the token here. Once you select the token, you'll see all the available transactions there, all the available ads. Then you can simply tap on the buy option there. And then first here you can see I haven't completed the KYC verification, but you'll have to complete it and you'll have to deposit amount as well, or you can verify your account directly and then buy using the P2P here, and then you can go ahead and purchase order by adding in your transaction details and then paying the amount and then later receiving it. Similarly, if you want to sell, you can tap on sell and you can choose what you wish to sell, what you wish to receive after selling the currency by tapping on the currency here. You can select it, you can select the token here that you would like to sell, and you can see your amount and such that you would like to enter. If there is any amount, it should show up right here, as you can see, and you'll be able to view the available methods as well. So this is how you can buy and sell using P2P on the Bybit. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.